Hello, welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making chicken pot pie. Let's get cooking. To start, melt 2/3 of a cup of butter in a pot over medium heat. Next, add diced onions and some diced celery. Then sauté for about 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are soft. Go ahead and add 2/3 cup of flour, a pinch of pepper, a touch of salt, a dash of onion salt, a hint of celery seed, and a sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Now whisk it all together until the mixture thickens up nicely. Next, slowly whisk in 1 3/4 cups of chicken broth, making sure it blends in smoothly. Then, slowly mix in 1 3/4 cups of whole milk until it's nice and creamy. After that, let it simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring constantly until it thickens and everything comes together. Next, stir in 1 can of cooked peas and carrots, and 1 can of cooked green beans. Then add in 2 shredded chicken breasts and give it a good stir to bring everything together. Once the filling is ready, gently lay the bottom pie crust into your dish, pressing it down and along the edges. Then add the filling and spread it out evenly across the bottom crust. Now lay the top crust over the filling, then fold the edges over and press them down gently. Using a sharp knife, carefully make several small slits in the top crust to allow steam to vent during baking. Now bake it at 425 for about 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown. And there you have it, a homemade chicken pot pie, ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching Simply Easy Cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.